Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change board abilities in Subway Surfer City. So let's dive in. Now in Subway Surfer City, hoverboards aren't just one-off power-ups anymore. Each board has its own abilities that can actually affect how your run plays out, so choosing the right one actually matters. Things like longer protection, score boosts, or smoother recovery can make a huge difference, especially during harder runs. Now to change your board abilities, you want to start from the main menu and head into the surfer section. Choose a surfer, and from here, you'll see all the boards you've unlocked. When you tap on a board, you will be able to view its unique ability and current level. Now, this is where you can switch between boards depending on what kind of run you're aiming for, whether that's high score, survival, or mission grinding. Some boards come with abilities unlocked by default, while others get stronger as you upgrade them. As you level up a board, its ability becomes more effective, so upgrading boards you actually use is important. Now, if you notice one board fits your playstyle better, stick with it and invest your resources there instead of spreading upgrades too thin. Also, don't forget that different abilities shine in different situations. If you're pushing for long runs, boards with better protection are ideal. But if you're chasing high scores or challenges, boards that boost scoring or efficiency will help you more. Switching boards before a run based on your goal is the smart way to play. And once you get used to swapping and upgrading board abilities, you'll notice your runs become smoother and more consistent overall. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!